Hey y'all, it's Nikki and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, things are going to be a little bit different today. I do need to desperately clean all of my makeup brushes, so I figured why not do a video on the whole process of doing that, what to use, how long to let them dry, all that good stuff. I've learned a few tips and tricks over the years, and this is by far the best way I've found to care for all of my makeup brushes to make them last longer. But before we get started, be sure to go and follow me on all of my social media. Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, everything is Nikkikkins. You can check out the description box below for spellings and direct links. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right in and get these dirty girls clean. Whenever I first got makeup brushes, I was just washing them with some antibacterial hand soap, which got the job done, but I didn't feel like it was really taking care of my brushes, and I felt like my brushes were very dry and brittle over time. So I did find the perfect home remedy. You do not have to go out in the store and buy a makeup brush cleaner. You could use what you have at home and it'll work even better. All you have to have is some regular dish soap and some olive oil. And what I do is I use 2 parts of dish soap, typically antibacterial, and then 1 part olive oil. This will help keep the brushes soft, and this of course will help clean the brushes. So typically to wash all of my brushes like this, I will use 2 tablespoons of dish soap and then 1 tablespoon of olive oil. And all you're going to do is put all of that in a little container and mix it together. So once you've got the cleaning solution put together, all you're going to do is grab your makeup brush, dip it once into this cleaning solution, and then under running water, you're going to swirl it in your palm until the water runs clean and the brush is completely clean. You can just use your palm, or you can use one of these handy dandy brush scrub thingies. I actually got this one for Christmas last year, thank you mama. But you can get several variations of this at Walmart, or like I said, you can just use the palm of your hand if you don't have one of these, if you don't feel like going and buying them. It's not completely necessary. I do feel like these speed up the process a little bit simply because of the raised bumps. It helps get into the bristles faster. However, not 100% necessary. So I'm going to go ahead and start running my warm water, and let's get these bad girls clean. All of my lovely ladies have been washed and are laid out to dry. Typically you need at least 24 hours for brushes to dry. My personal sweet spot, I like to wait at least 36 to 48 hours just to make sure they're 100% dry, because I absolutely hate grabbing a brush, going in and doing makeup, and then making a complete smudgy mess because the brush is still kind of damp. So I typically try to do at least 36 to 48 hours. That's personal preference. Y'all can figure out what you want to do, but that's just my rule of thumb. Also, as you can see, these are laid flat. I used to wash all the brushes and then put them back in the container that they go in. However, whenever you do that and you put the brush in, whenever it's sitting like this, gravity will draw all of the water down into the brush, and then all of the glue will break down from being wet for so long, and all the bristles start to come out. So I did notice a huge difference whenever I lay out my brushes to dry. They last a lot longer, they do not break down as much, I do not lose as many bristles. So always lay them out on a towel. It's a lot better for them. Of course, you could turn on fans in the room to help them dry faster. But these are just my tips and tricks on how to clean your brushes. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope it was helpful. Of course, if y'all have any requests, be sure to put them down in the comment section below. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye!